single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer, and this is a limited edition one because it comes with these two combs, which is one brush and this comb. So let's go open it. This will be my first time opening this one. The box is really nice and it's super heavy guys. It says powerful digital motor designed for fast drying. So based on the reviews that I saw, this is really worth it. Like a high-tech hair dryer. This is it. This is it, guys. I think this one is around $500 if I'm not mistaken. See, this is how it is inside. Ching. Yeah. It comes with this box. I think the combs are in here. This is the other side of the box. Styling set. Dyson Design Detailing Comb and Paddle Brush. This is the paddle brush and this is the comb. Okay. So nice, right? We'll keep it here on the side. Yeah. And of course, this thing. Let's go open it, guys. I'm so excited with this. So this is all the functions. Here it is! I'm so excited! So, the hair dryer rethought. Fast drying, engineered for balance, smooth and controlled styling. Oh my god, guys! Here it is! Finally, I'm opening it. I know it's a bit expensive, but I really want this. I was thinking of buying the air wrap also. This is how it is. See, can you see that there's hello over there? I think that's the manual. Here, what is the inside? We have the dryer itself, which is in very sleek design. This is it. And the signature hole. It comes with two colors. You can choose between white or pink, but I chose the pink one. And this is the power button, hot shot, the heat settings, and the airflow. The airflow enables you to adjust how strong the wind you want it to be, and also there's a 3 nozzles that is available here. We have the diffuser. This is the diffuser, which is for curly hairs. It evenly disperses airflow to dry curls gently and help reduce the frizziness of the hair. Next is the smoothing nozzle. This is it. It's like a medium-sized nozzle. It's gentle, low velocity airflow to dry, and style at the same time. So yeah. Also, we have the styling concentrator. It's very small, and here you can see, yeah, this is for fast, precise airflow for controlled styling, one section at a time. You can use this nozzle for styling your hair with the use of the paddle brush. And also, what I like about this hair dryer, it comes with this magnetic nozzles. You can attach it easily. I'm gonna show you, it's just like this. Also, it will not remove that easily. It's really hard to remove. See? As you can see, I'm having a hard time to remove it. Yeah. This is the one. This is the smoothing nozzle. Just like this. Yeah. Perfect. It's easy to use. Like, it's very convenient. You don't need to turn it here and there just to change the nozzle. And now let's move on to these free combs, the paddle brush and the comb, detangling. This is it. This is how it is. This is the first one. Oh my god, it's really nice. And this is the other one. Perfect. Isn't it amazing, guys? This is a free edition gift set that they have. I don't know if it's still available online, but I hope it is, because it's really nice. It comes with this. I don't know how to... Oh, this is the paddle brush, and this is the detangling comb. There's a hole here. I think you need to remove this. I'm not sure on how to use this thing, but it's really nice. Oh, it's really nice. I have a super long hair, so this will be very useful for me, especially in the morning. This is the two. I don't know what is this for, why there's a hole on this comb. Maybe I need to remove this. It's not removing, so I'm not sure what is this for. If you guys know, please comment down below. So I think that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, share this to your friends if they want to know more about this Dyson Supersonic hair dryer. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our channel. That's the first thing. Just click on the red button down there. Bye!